Hey guys, Quality Alerts here. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve right now, and we just got two flash flood warnings basically back to back. So I'm gonna officially dub this EAS compilation number 2. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, here we go. Flash flood warning just issued. Here we go. Flash flood warning.
Here is an urgent message for the following counties.
Why didn't my WR300 go off?
Sacramento and Yolo. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Sacramento County and Central California, East Central Yolo County and Central California.
That's us.
Until 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard
We're in
Time
Central.
and 4:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding.
Oh my God.
Thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sacramento, West Sacramento, North Lake Taurus, Rio Linda, Alberta, and Raleigh Field. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, voice of the National Weather Service, simulcast on radio station KEC 57 and 162.5.
Cannot believe I just caught that.
In El Dorado County,
I cannot believe that I just caught that.
62.40
I am on a live stream and was editing where I was putting this on the screen, and they issued at 4:35 a flash flood warning for Sacramento and Yolo. That is us. That is us. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Flash flood warning!
For the following counties in California, Placer, Sacramento, and Sutter. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning.
Another one?
For County in Central California, North Central Sacramento County and Central California, Southeastern Sutter County and Central California until 8 p.m. Pacific Standard
Oh
Time.
God.
At 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is
This is getting worse.
expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pleasant Grove, Alberta, Sheridan, and Rio Linda. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Here is an urgent message for the following counties in California.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's great. That's lovely. All right.